Hello guys, good morning, and you're watching my channel Suneel at Digital. Friends, I hope you guys are doing well today. And today I have brought one topic on how we can download the talent products. So here we will, talk on the trial version, and that is valid on 14 days. Okay, and then we will understand how we can access talent management console, that is TMC, and through TMC we will generate the tokens. That token we will use while we configure our studio. So guys, there are two important things actually you need to understand from Talent Cloud perspective product. The one is you should be having access to talent management console. Okay, so that is the TMC. Okay, so talent management console is basically the talent cloud, and from where you manage everything. Okay, so through talent management console, we create the users as well, we create the roles as well, we assign the roles to the user, and also we create the token as well. So when we create the token from TMC, that token we will be using in Talent Studio while we configure, because with the help of that token number only, your studio will connect with Talent Cloud. I hope this is clear, right? So two things are important. One, we should be having the access to talent management console, and we should be having downloaded studio. Okay, now let's see how we do it actually. So let's say one thing here. uh, Go to this site here. Let's say this one, right? So that is the click.com, or you can directly put it in the browser, click.com or talent data fabric, or simply you can go to your Google actually. Okay, just say download talent. So you can put these, you can just put it here actually, and just go to the free trial here, and it will automatically take you to this URL, click.com. This now, why it's coming click? The reason why, because click has taken over talent. So now it's click click talent actually. It's a click product. Earlier talent was, individual entity, but now it's a part of click actually. So that's why it's saying click talent. That's what it is coming as a click.com. Here we are trying for this talent cloud free for 14 days. So what you need to do, you need to fill all the information, required information here. You see the first name, the last name, the business email, your company, all these things. The important thing is you have to put the your email ID actually. Okay, because he will get all the links into your email ID itself. Okay. So what I did, I put it all the information here, and then I click this activate my trial. Then I got one email, and I got this kind of email. Welcome to the Talent Cloud, and let us start. Okay. What I did, then I started here. I click this like this. So it says, which region you want basically this Talent Cloud. So by default, they have, taken Japan, because, India is close to Japan. It's Asia Pacific, and that's what, they have chosen that. But you can always have the option to, opt for these values. So I prefer United States of America, AWS. Okay. Now I get to finish. Now we got this kind of window here, and just go to my click, and then go to here, and you have to click this. There are two options you will get: my click and the click cloud. You have to click on click cloud, because we are going for the tenant cloud. So they have created one tenant for you. I have, created two actually, because I tried two times, so they have created, two for me. So when you do the first time, you will get only one tenant, and this one. Just click this talent. So it's, redirecting me to the Talend Cloud actually. Okay. So it says, welcome to Click Talent Experience and find out how Talent Cloud meets all your quality integration needs. So we are basically looking from a developer perspective, okay, because we want to build up some data pipelines, data integration. We'll prefer this developer. Just click this developer, and it says, you will find all these things. So you have to watch actually this, then only it will show you green. It is showing me green because I already did it earlier, so it's showing me this one. Okay, so this one. Now, if you see here, there is option is there, this one, manage download Talent Studio. So what will happen when you click this? When you click this, you will find the options to download actually. Okay, then I downloaded my Talent actually. Okay, in my local. Okay, so if you see, I downloaded this Talent Studio, this Windows 64 installer. Okay, so when you do this, you can install that. And once you install that, you will see in your system like Talent Studio 8.01. It's already installed now. Okay. After that, what we'll do, we will open the Talent Studio now. Okay. So if you see here, we have come here, right? Now go to this one. Okay. So we need to create this, connections first. So let's say I'm creating one connection here. Let's say I'm creating new connection for you guys. Let's say this plus, and this repository I'll put it, it's a new connection. And for new connection, I can give the name. Let's say uh, remote. You can just say Talent Cloud. Okay, Talent Cloud. Yeah, Talent you can just give. Repository I prefer this because I'm looking for US region. So in USA we have these many regions. AWS, this one. Since we are not doing on local means in your local host, this we are not doing. That's what we are looking for remote actually. Remote, we have this AWS USA. Tag is for on-prem, and for cloud, we have these many options. We'll prefer this one. Now it's asking for the token number, right? How we will get this token number? So what we need to do, this is the URL. If you see this URL, this one, this is basically nothing, it's the TMC basically. This is the TMC. So what you need to do, just copy here from up to here. Just copy this here. Okay. I just copied this and I'll just paste this here. So this is the TMC means Talent Management Console. Dot now I'm entering in Talent Cloud of Talent Management Console. I'll hit this. So if you see, now we are inside this, right? So we need to get the token number. So what we can do, we can go for 1 second. Profile. Yeah. Yeah. So if you see here, they have given option personal access tokens, right? And now if I click this add token here, I'll click add. And you can give any name for this. Let's say I give the name for uh, Talend Cloud. Okay. And when you generate this, okay, just click this, it will give you one token actually. Okay. I have already generated earlier, so I'll use that one only. So let's say this is my token number. Okay. Now you will go back to your studio and just put it here. Okay, you put it this right. You need to put the workplace where you will store your files into your local host actually. So that also we provide, and I give this in my directory talent workspace. Okay. Now we need to validate whether it is working or not. If I click this, will check basically whether it's success or fail, whatever it will show. It should become success actually. If you get the success, it means your talent studio can access your talent cloud, that is TMC. I think this is stuff actually. Time. Yes, so we got the success. It means now you're good to go, and your talent, your studio now got connected with your TMC. Just click this OK. Okay. Now just go to this drop down. Yeah. So I created this one, right? Talent AWS, this one. Okay. Earlier, I've already created for this one actually, AWS USA. So, okay. Basically, it's trying to retrieve projects, and that's what is taking time. You see, retrieving the project actually. Okay. Now it will retrieve the project. You see, it took the project dev env Java. How it took basically this project, like how this reflected over here. The reason why, let me tell you how it happened. So let's go back to this Talend Cloud. What we Yes. So we were this is the Talend Cloud actually. You see this one. So we can go back here and okay. So here we have the option for projects. So basically what I did, I added one project. This is the project dev env. So how you will do is just create the add project and give this project name. Just give any project name. Let's say I given dev env, right? and this is the Git URL. Since we are, you know, storing our metadata at Git, right? It's a remote repository. So what you need to do, you need to create one your connection, your login to the click actually. Sorry, for Git actually. You need to have the connection to the Git repository, and that thing you will put it over here. Okay. So like for me, I did like this. You see, I put it like this. Okay. Then you need to go to collaborators here and anyways, I think something's wrong here. But this way, you created this, the project actually. But now the user you are logged in actually, you have to give the access to this project. This project you have to give the access from here. Just go to just click this and just you need to give the collaborators. In the collaborators, you need to add the user here. Okay. Once that is done, you have to go back to your user and security. So we need to create one user as well. I think it's taken a lot of time. I don't know, maybe some bandwidth issue or what. So, anyways, let me go back to this one. So you understood, right, how this came actually, because this we already created. This we already created in our TMC, this project, and that's what it got reflected here. When I do this open, so now it's opening actually. Okay, I think I need to do some kind of modification because I looks like I updated the new one actually with the old one, and that's where it is coming like that. So anyways, if you want, I'll take a different session for this, how we can do it again. Okay, but this is how it works actually. Okay, and for the remaining portion, I'll create one more video. And I'll create this connection from the scratch again. I think today's internet seems very slow for me, but something is not working actually. Okay, so I'll showcase you in the next video. I hope you like this video and you understood, the concept actually how it is working. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to hit the likes and the subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.